Alright, so what's good guys? Let's make a quick tutorial today for all those of you that are wondering how to uninstall apps on Shopify, as they changed the interface after new updates, and it has been pretty problematic for me as well. So all you have to do is go to settings. Now let's go to apps and sales channels, and here we have the dashboard interface, whatever you call it, that we had before in the online store section. And right now just select the app you want to delete. I'm going to delete Vitals, and I was going to delete loox as well, but now I see that I don't have it in this store anymore. So yeah, that will be it. Have a nice one.